Welcome to Dr. Phillips, Florida, a not-so-hidden gem nestled in the heart of Central Florida. Today we are going to look at the beauty, the attractions, the vibrancy of this amazing community. So put your comfy pants on, grab a beverage, and follow me, but not too closely. One cannot explore Dr. Phillips without indulging in its diverse culinary scene. From fine dining to diverse food markets, this place is a foodie paradise. So let's savor the flavor and see what they have to offer. Follow me down Restaurant Row, folks. Did you know that Dr. Phillips has a rich history dating all the way back to the 1800s? It was named after Dr. Philip Phillips, who was a famous, get this, orange tycoon. Yeah, this area used to be bustling with orange groves. Surprise, surprise. But you can still find traces of its past amidst this modern concrete jungle. Dr. Phillips has a myriad of different housing options, from condos to townhomes to single-family homes to mega mansions. They've got it all. And they have it ranging from price from like $300,000 all the way up to over $1 million. Yeah, I can't really afford anything here, so technically I'm trespassing. Shopping enthusiasts are going to love Dr. Phillips because lining the streets, there's a myriad of different brand name shops. We've got local artisans, we've got nice boutique shops, we've got restaurants, we've got bars, we've got live entertainment. There's plenty to see and do here at Dr. Phillips. If schools are a high priority on your list, then Dr. Phillips has got you covered. They are host to A-rated schools all the way from elementary to high school. Good to know. One of the most fascinating aspects of Dr. Phillips is that it shares the same zip code as Universal Studios Florida, one of the most iconic theme parks in the world. And being just a stone's throw away from all the attractions, nightlife, entertainment, restaurants, makes it that much more exciting to live, work, and visit. Hurry up, if we get in line now, we can get Gringotts before it gets too long. Hey, thank you for joining me on my journey through Dr. Phillips, Florida. If you've enjoyed this content, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to get more of our local content. I'm Rob Stack, the A-lister with the Home Squad at eXp Realty. Thank you for watching. Now get the heck out of here.